Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update SPP drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to settings, and this time you have to search for device manager. Open device manager. After opening the device manager, maximize the window. On the left side, you can see all the listed driver. You have to find for other ports, other devices. As you can see here, this option, and click on SPP and just right click on it, and now you can see this option, update driver option. Now click on here and you will see two options here: search automatic drivers as well as browse my computer drivers. Now click on first one, search automatic drivers. Now in my case, I've already updated my SPP driver. Now you can close the window, again close the window. Now in the search bar, you have to type settings. Open settings. Now you can see this all the listed settings menu. Go to the last one, which is Windows Update. Click on this. Now you can see it start for searching. Now for before searching to the for updates, you make sure your computer is connected to internet device. Okay. Now click for check for updates before I just connect to my internet device. Okay, now Wi-Fi is connected. Now click for check for updates. Okay, it will take 15 to 20 seconds. Till then, you can like my channel and subscribe to my channel. It hardly takes 10 to 15 seconds now. So it will tell you the all the updated list for drivers. You can click on this and update your Windows 11 drivers. It's taking some time. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.